Welcome to Innovation Explorers. Experience the captivating realm of innovation, design, science, and technology. How does automation work? Automation is the process of carrying out tasks using various types of equipment. Automation is accomplished by utilizing information technology and control systems, which will lessen the amount of human effort. Automation, which has played a significant part in industrialization and can be considered a step above mechanization, can be broadly defined as the act of operating machinery using electronic gear. What is industrial automation? And what role does it play in various industries? The process of manufacturing items with the aid of computers and programmable controllers is known as industrial automation. Control systems used in automation include PLCs, numerical controls, and various types of industrial control systems. By utilizing computer-aided technologies like CAD, CAM, and CAX, it also employs information technology to control industrial processes. We can automate the production equipment and tooling, material handling and inspection equipment, as well as the computer systems that manage the manufacturing processes. In a factory, industrial automation is essentially the utilization of robotic equipment to perform production operations. What characteristics does industrial automation have? To process parts, automatic machinery might be available. Automatic assembly lines are used. Industrial robots to perform precise tasks. Systems for material handling and storage are increasingly automated. Automatic inspection systems are used for quality control. There is computer process control and feedback control as a result of automation. Computer systems are used for data collection, decision-making, and industrial tasks. What benefits can industrial automation offer? Industrial automation has made it possible for manufacturing activities to be completed rapidly and efficiently. Computerized robots are used in industrial automation, and these robots are capable of handling tough tasks with ease. In hazardous locations, we can employ this automated gear in place of people. Industrial automation reduces the number of employees, which enables businesses to save money. Although robotic machinery is initially quite expensive, the company will eventually make up for this loss as a result of having fewer people. The likelihood of the equipment failing is lower because it would be quite expensive. Why is automation necessary? Because people can make mistakes, and those mistakes can sometimes get worse under specific circumstances. Automation is necessary because it allows us to replace or reduce labor costs by up to 90%. The automated system is dependable, error-free, and capable of completing the task swiftly and precisely. The automated gadget may function in dangerous environments and can take the place of humans where strenuous physical labor is required. The automated gadget is capable of tasks that are unattainable to humans. There are three types of automation: programmable automation, flexible automation, fixed automation. Programmable automation. The production automation is able to manage various product combinations by using programmable automation. When using programmable automation, the operation sequence is managed by a program. This program will consist of a set of instructions, which the system will be able to understand and follow to do the required tasks. For batch production, this kind of automation enables the system to accommodate changes and variances in product configuration. Flexible automation. The system may switch from one task to the next extremely rapidly and without wasting any time thanks to this kind of automation. Numerous diverse goods can be produced by adopting flexible automation. The system can generate diverse goods in a shorter amount of time, since it can quickly reprogram and change the physical arrangement. The manufacturing of various product mixtures is possible because of the flexibility of this sort of automation, which can handle a variety of soft products while reducing production rates. Fixed automation. The equipment setup determines how the operation is processed in this type of operation. The sequence operation won't be challenging and might even be quite easy. In essence, fixed automation can be thought of as the merging or integration of various operations into one piece of machinery, which would result in a very complicated system. This automation will have a very high initial cost, but also very high output rates. What is the difference between fixed automation and programmable automation? In fixed automation, the equipment configuration determines the processing or assembler process in a system, whereas in programmable automation, the production equipment can change the order of activities so that it can handle a range of product configurations. In contrast to programmable automation, which is managed by a program and has a set of instructions that the system must follow, fixed automation consists of workstations connected to conveyors. This type of automation is also composed of workstations. In fixed automation, the cost of specialized equipment is very high, but in programmable automation, general-purpose equipment requires a large investment. When compared to programmable automation, fixed automation has higher efficiency and production rates, which may be due to the programmable automation's use of different product configurations. While fixed automation is not conceivable, programmable automation allows the system to manage different product configurations. Fixed automation is utilized for bulk manufacturing, while programmable automation is used for medium production. What advantages does automation have? There is a rise in output, higher standard, reduced price, working situations that are safe. It takes the role of humans in laborious work. This makes it possible to operate in hazardous environments. Accuracy, reliability, quality. It is capable of performing activities that are not humanly possible. What are the disadvantages of automation? Automated systems that use sensors or robots are incapable of making decisions. Repairing requires time. Additionally, it may be dangerous and result in issues. Installation of machinery and equipment will be expensive initially. For automated machinery, extensive maintenance is necessary.